Good morning, good morning, good morning, all my V enthusiasts, all my warriors. I know you guys are preparing for VITEEE SRMJEEE and SRMJEEE. So that's why I decided that on this lovely Sunday morning, I should give you all the most expected questions which can come in the examination. I have done my bit of research where I have analyzed all the questions, and I feel that these are the questions which are very important for these two examinations. So let's discuss them with me, Shreyas, your master teacher for physics and Vedantu, going live from Bangalore. Hello VITEEE, hello Shweta, hello Pranav, hello Priyanka, Lohit, Pavan, Achyut, long time. Hello Divinity, hello Laksa Prasadam, hello Vrunda, Kanak, Amu, Nirmal, Vanakam, good morning, Ola, bonjour, welcome aboard. So, by the way, just one second. Yep. I am Shreyas, I am the physics master teacher on this channel, and I not only teach on YouTube but I also teach on the regular paid platform of Vedantu. And I have been coaching, I have been training students for a very long time now. In fact, many of my students are right now in IITs, NITs, and I'm pretty sure you have also seen yesterday's session with Madhav Goel, who is All India rank 208 from IIT Delhi. So I'm pretty sure many of you also want to keep some backup options in VIT as well as SRM. So these examinations are important, very good backup options. So let's prepare for them. And if you want to know more about me, please follow me on my Instagram handle. That's Shreyas_Vedantu. You can ask me, you can tag me in different posts if you have to. Hi ABCD, hi Sudarshan, hello Gautam. Welcome, welcome, hello Laksha. Okay, and before we begin, let me also tell you very important thing. Please do not forget to hit the like button. In case you have forgotten to hit the like button, please do that, because come on, I am coming here Sunday morning for all of you, doing all the hard work for all of you every time. So the least you can do is show your love, show your support by smashing that like button. And if you want to stay updated with all the latest information on JEE, as well as all the important sessions for 11th, 12th, as well as the dropper students, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button out there. If you have not yet done that, please do that. It's free of cost. And yes, the entire PDF will be available in the Telegram group. Down below, there is a link. You can click it and you'll get it. Now, you know, it's very important that I tell you this simple announcement because you know, there are some important things which are going to happen tomorrow. So one thing that I would like to showcase is that, you know, many of my students and many of the students from other teachers also have done exceptionally well. In fact, right now from Vedantu, 1 in 2 students has already qualified for JEE Advanced. You can see that many of them have in fact scored 100 percentile in physics, chemistry, as well as maths. And you know, this is only happening because of our systems, because of our, you know, approach towards studies, because of the faith of the students, because of the hard work the collective system puts in, the class teacher, the doubt experts, the master teachers, the students, everyone. So this combined effort which you know, needs a very good support, very good content, which needs also to be analyzed with the reports that you get from the test. All this has contributed to all these amazing results. And there is a crash course which is starting tomorrow, 24th of May, and this crash course will be your booster for the next mains as well as VIT, as well as any other examinations that you're writing. This is not a crash course only for JEE mains, it's for all the examinations, because they have the same syllabus, they have almost similar patterns. So this is going to be a life changer. I don't think there will be many more crash courses after this. So I think this will be one of the last few batches. You know, maybe 1 or 2 more crash course batches might start off. But please get yourself enrolled, because there is a lightning deal of 40% off when you use the coupon code SHCC. Okay, so please do that. And one more important announcement, tomorrow onwards, the pro subscription prices are increasing. So if you are 11th or a 12th standard student, then make sure that you get yourself enrolled if you had that double mind, because today is the last day and the prices will remain as it is. So when you use the coupon code SHHPRO, you get 10% off. But tomorrow onwards, there is going to be a change in the prices. So keep that in mind. Okay, let's go with the first question. Hello Ankit, good morning. Hello Pradyumna. Yes, I have not yet Pradyumna, I have not yet read your comment, but don't worry, I will read all your comments. Okay, so guys, start solving this question. Meanwhile, I'll just read through all of your chats. ABCD, I'm very good, thank you so much. Okay, very good, Pranav. You want to get VIT CSE? That's possible. I mean, that's a very good branch for sure, and if you are keeping it as a good backup option, that's a really good thought. Okay, is SRM University main campus good? Yes, Pranav, it is good. In fact, I have done a video on all the good colleges apart from IITs and NITs. You can watch that in my previous videos. Just go to the previous video, search it, you'll get it. Okay, so hello Kashvi, welcome aboard. Come on guys, what do you guys think? There is a mass m tied to a string and it is just able to rotate in a vertical circle. So the question is, if the speed at the top is Vc, what is the speed at the bottom? That's the question. Avinash, this is the first question. Saktivel, even if you are a NEET aspirant, you can still watch it. Okay, it will still help you for NEET. A lot of you are saying A, some of you are saying B. Okay, well, let's figure this out. Come on guys, figure it out. Sudarshan, the minimum marks are very less only, it's not very great, but the point is that, Sudarshan, if you want a good branch and the main campus, then you need a very good score. In fact, you can just Google it or leave a comment. I will tell you what are the minimum probably approximate percentages or ranks needed to get into a particular branch. So leave a comment after the video ends. Okay, so Nirmal, I think you can apply for the next one. There is a next attempt also. Okay, well, let's solve this question. See, the first thing that you should read over here is that the word just is used. It is just able to complete. When it is just able to complete the vertical circular motion, then remember at the topmost point, the speed is root of gr. It's not 0. Reason is it's a string. For a string, the minimum speed at the top is root gr, and the speed at the bottom obviously should be higher. It should be root of 5 times of gr. Understand that. So that's the speed at the bottom. If it was a rod, if this word string was not mentioned, then this speed will become root 4 gr at the bottom, and at the top it will become 0. And the reason for that is a rod can never become slack. It can never compress as such. But a string, if it does not have that minimum speed of root gr, it will become slack, and you know the mass will fall down. It will not be taut, it will not be tight, tension will not be more than 0. So that's the reason for that. Okay, so that means we can clearly see this should be the answer, because if the speed at the top is Vc, this should be root 5 times more the speed at the bottom. So the answer is C. I think many of you have got it wrong. Good morning, Abhishek. Hello, Nirmal. Yes, Pranav, it is good. Definitely, it's a very good backup option. Hello, oh, Anushka, thank you. Welcome. Okay. Gail, at least try these questions. At least if you get some of these questions or these kind of questions in the examination, hopefully your rank will improve. Yeah. So that's the reason of conducting this mock test, because we have seen that whenever we have conducted the Sure Shot 60 mock tests or most expected series for JEE mains, many of the questions have come in the actual examination. So at least same time, and we have done our analysis that these kind of questions are very likely to come in these examinations. So this is definitely going to be a rank booster session for all of you out there. Okay, glad for all the love, Anushka. Thank you. Okay, let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. So that was the answer, option C. And here comes the next question up on your screen, and here it is, the equation of state corresponding to 8 grams of oxygen assuming ideal gas is. Figure this out. Okay, Laksha Prasadam, don't worry bacha, we'll complete it, and we'll probably complete it by October, November or something like that. Don't worry. Okay, anyways, everything has got postponed, so we have a lot of time. Hey Jivita, it's your birthday. Wow, very good. Lazy Sunday and happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead. Okay, come on, figure this out. Chaitali, leave a comment after the video ends or ping me on my Instagram handle. I'll definitely help you out. Let's now focus on the session. Okay, B or C? You guys are confused clearly. Okay, B. Okay, beautiful. Let's have a look, guys. First of all, 8 grams of oxygen is how many moles? Remember, the molecular weight is nothing but 30. Okay, the molecular weight is nothing but 32 grams. So 1 mole of oxygen contains 32 grams. So this is how many moles, guys? How many moles? Come on. Yeah, a lot of you made the mistake. Come on, how many moles? Yeah. So I think you would have got it by now, because PV is equal to nRT. This N is nothing but 8 by 32, which is nothing but 1 by 4. So where is that answer? It's option B. Correcto. Yes, some of you said C. Very few people said A. So I hope you got it now. Yeah, number of moles. That's it. Oh my God. Lohit is saying Ganga. I think Lohit is crying because he got the wrong answer. Okay, Lohit, don't cry, bacha. We are here. Let's solve these questions. I'm pretty sure out of these questions, few questions will at least come and it will help you out in the examination. And this will probably improve your rank, and this will also for sure improve your chances of getting a good branch or a better campus out of all those campuses. Come on. Let's see the next question. What is the effective capacitance between the terminals A and B in this following figure? What's the effective capacitance? Come on, figure this out. Okay, come on. Figure this out. Wow, Nikhil, this is your first live session. Very good. Looks like you are watching all our recorded classes. It's fun to be in a live session, trust me. D, easy peasy. Yes, Shivani, very good. Yes, Ankit, definitely you can attend. Obviously, it will help you out for JEE mains, and you're a 12th standard student, for sure you should attend. Some of the questions at least you will be able to get, especially the 11th standard syllabus and the ones which are done already. Hello, Bernie. Long time, Bernie. Not seeing you in live classes these days. Okay. Come on, figure this out. D. Okay. Well, see guys, this is a balanced Wheatstone's bridge. I don't know whether you saw that. The ratio is 1:2. So this is a balanced. This is balanced Wheatstone bridge. So if it is a balanced Wheatstone bridge, this capacitor and this capacitor are useless. Now you can see that over here, these two capacitors are in series. So if they are in series, use the parallel formula of resistors, C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So it is nothing but 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6, which is 2 microfarad. That's the capacitance out there. And over here, these two are also in series. Again, use C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2. How much it is? It is nothing but 2 by 3. Now this and this are in parallel. So C effective, you will use the parallel formula. So it will just add. Remember, capacitors in parallel just add up. And that's why it will be 2 plus 2 by 3, which is nothing but 8 by 3 microfarad, and that's option D. Beautiful. If you forgot that the formula for capacitors are opposite to that of resistors, then probably you will get option C, which is 9 by 4. So be very careful in the actual examinations. Okay, great. Okay, let's get going. Okay, and here it is. So by the way, I just want to know how many of you are writing the VITEE EEE exams or the SRMJEEE examinations. Anyway, some of you might be already in the first slot or something today. How many of you are writing that? How many of you are registered? And how many of you are planning to register? Can you just type it out in the chat box? And meanwhile, you can also start solving the question. There is a LCR circuit. Without L, the phase difference is 60. Without C, the phase difference is 60. What is the power factor of the LCR circuit? Okay, a lot of you are writing out here. Let's see. Wow, very good. Some of you, ABCD is writing today, Pranav is also writing, Divinity is also writing, Bernie is also writing VITEE EEE. Very good, Pranav, Siva, Sudarshan, Achyut is also writing 4 to 6 p.m. Very good. Master TN is also writing, Veer Gupta is writing. Wow. JLP, no, I don't think so. You have to go a little bit more than that. You have to study for mains. You will automatically clear this examination. Okay, don't worry, Sai Telugu will probably solve this question and you will get it. Tarun, join in. You missed just few questions, I guess. SRMJEE is the examination for SRM Institute. It's another institute in Tamil Nadu. Yep. Okay. Okay. So some of you are writing the second phase. Some of you are writing tomorrow. Okay. So see guys, so how do you solve this question? First, read it carefully. LCR circuit, without the L, it looks like this. And the phase difference is pi by 3. Now remember, I have given you a general diagram. And the general diagram looks like this. R is here, XL is here, and XC is here. I have told you how to remember it. The inductive reactance is always on the top. L is love. Love is on the top. Love is in the air. Remember that. So that's how you can remember this phasor diagram. C is below. Okay, R is horizontal. That's obvious. Okay, so if you remember this diagram, everything works out very easily. In the first situation, without the L, when L is removed, read this. When L is removed, obviously this is not there. Only XC is there and R is there. Nothing else is there. So R is here and you have XC over here. So the resultant will be the total impedance of the circuit. It will be the total impedance of the circuit, and this angle is given to be pi by 3, which is 60 degrees. That's what is mentioned in the first situation. Now in the second situation, what is mentioned? If C is removed, then the new phase difference is pi by 3. C is removed means this is removed. So only XL and R are there. So XL is over here and R is over here, and the resultant is the impedance vector wise. Remember, in AC circuits, all the resistances always add as vectors. In DC circuits, resistances add like scalars. Here they have to be treated like vector quantities. So that means, by the way, this is pi by 3 again. Do you see this diagram and this diagram are the same things, just mirror images of each other? It's as if somebody placed a mirror over here. Just check this out. This is like a mirror image. Are you able to see that? All my warriors, come on guys. Pranav, you can ask that question later on in the comment section or ping me on Instagram. I'll definitely answer it. What do you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Yep. So this is basically, mirror images of each other. So what does this tell you? What does this tell you? This clearly tells you XL is equal to XC. XL is equal to XC. If XL is equal to XC, it's very obvious what is happening. This can only happen in case of resonance. It can only happen in the case of resonance. Do you remember resonating circuits? XL and XC cancel each other. The total impedance is the resistance. That means, what is cos theta? Cos theta is 1, and this cos theta is the power factor. This cos theta is the power factor. Correcto. And hence the answer should be C. Understood? Clearo, everyone? Let me know in the chat box if you guys have understood this. Then we'll go ahead. Very, very beautiful question. Lot of concepts will get cleared. You will get confidence in all the topics when you solve all the questions along with me. So be there with a pen and paper, and yes, be there with high josh. Without that, you will not have that Enthuse to solve these questions. Come on, very good. So let's see. Yeah, the answer is C. Let's get going to the next question. Beautiful. Excellent. Tukka is correct, Sai Thalgu. You should not believe on Tukka. You should not believe on your luck so much. Luck will work exactly 50-50 times. And you can apply your maths principles of probability. In fact, there is a question in maths. Like, what is the probability if you mark all the questions randomly? How much marks can you get? The probability comes out to be like 0 or negative. So be careful with that. Okay, so a short object of length L is placed in front of a concave mirror away from the focus. The object distance is x. The mirror has a focal length of f. What will be the length of the image if the length of the object is very, very small and v is the image distance? Let's do this. Suraj, CBSE exam will be cancelled or no? We do not know that. There is a meeting going on, by the way, for all the 12th standard students who are writing the exam this year. There is a meeting going on right now, and they are deciding on what is going to happen. Okay, so let's wait for it. Let's not spread rumors. Yeah. Okay, so the way to solve this question is, there is a formula for magnification along the principal axis. If you remember it, there is a formula. The magnification along the principal axis, okay, is width of the image upon width of the image upon width of the object, and that is given by magnitude wise. It is given by v square by u square. Magnitude wise, it is given by v square by u square. I hope you remember it. That means, what is this v? Image distance, u object distance, wi image width, wo object width. This wo is L. This wo is L, that is given. This u is x, that is also known to me. The only thing I do not know is v. Remember, what we have to find is, what will be the length of the image? What will be the length of the image? This is what I need to find. I hope this is clear from this particular formula. What exactly we need to find to get this particular quantity? I need to find the image distance. So let's apply the mirror formula. So 1 by v, okay, 1 by v plus 1 by u. U is the object distance. Object distance is x, but by sign convention it should be minus x because it is on the negative side. Okay. Next thing is equal to 1 by the focal length. Now the value of the focal length is f. So I'll put minus f. Why this minus f? Because the mirror is concave. You can see that the mirror is concave. So that's why minus f. Okay. So now what will I get? Let's see. So 1 by v is equal to, just shift it on the other side. So 1 by x minus 1 by f. This is nothing but f minus x divided by xf. So therefore v is xf divided by f minus x. This is what the value of v is going to be. Use this value of v. Use this value of v over here and see what happens. So the length of the image. So wi divided by wo. Wo is nothing but the length of the object, which is already given. Okay. Yes. Oh, by the way, some of you got confused. How did I use v square by u square? Some of you might be thinking, sir, magnification formula was v by u. Correct. It is v by u when you are talking about image height, object height along this perpendicular one. But when it is along the principal axis, the formula changes to square, v square by u square. So I hope that clears that confusion. Okay, great, great. Now this will become v square. V square is this square, so it will be x square f square divided by f minus x whole square. Okay, and that u square, u is also x, so squaring it, x square cancels. So width of the image is going to be x square has cancelled. So L times of f square upon f minus x whole square. So which is that option? I think it is this one. Yes, option B is correct. Whether you write x minus f or f minus x doesn't matter, because anyways you are squaring it, so it will always become a positive number. Yes, very good. I hope this is clear. No, Gautam, just knowing the formulas is not going to be sufficient to get a good branch, good VIT, because you need to also apply a lot of concepts, like you can see over here. If you just know the formulas, okay, obviously you need the formulas, but you should know how to apply them properly. You should know the concepts. So that's the thing. So remember, okay, be careful. I hope this is clear. Everybody please put it up in the chat box if you guys have understood this question. Then we'll go ahead to the next one. Praveen, you can do one thing, bacha. You can watch the replay. Okay, just go behind and play that session. Obviously it will work out. Okay, so that's option B. Beautiful. Let's see the next question. The wavelength of the characteristic alpha line emitted by hydrogen like element is 0.32 Angstrom. What is the wavelength of the K beta line of the same element? Okay, come on, think about this. No, Pawan, you don't. Yes, Mitali, even a NEET student can attend it, because physics is going to be the same, right? It will also help you in NEET. Trust me on this. It will definitely help you. Okay. Praveen, if you have a small doubt, you can definitely ask me right away. I'll answer it. If you did not understand a small part of the derivation, I'll tell you right away. But if the entire thing has to be repeated, then just what? This is the replay. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Can JEE student also join the crash course? Well, Visher, I would definitely not advise you to join the crash course because you are a 12th standard student. The crash course is only designed for the students who have already completed 12th standard and they want to complete the syllabus in that short duration. There is no point for you to complete the course in just 1-2 months when you have 1 year. Why would you do that? In fact, that is going to be a disaster for you. Do not do that. You study it aram se. Now is not the time to study everything quickly. A lot of people make those mistakes. Do not do that, bacha. In fact, the pro subscription prices are increasing from tomorrow. In fact, join the pro subscription now. And if money is an issue, do one thing, choose an installment option. So you don't even have to pay the entire amount. You just have to pay monthly installments. Yeah, just pay monthly installments, some 3,000, 4,000 maximum. That way you will not have that burden. And the crash course will be a part of your pro subscription in the end, as in you will get the test series, mock test, revision, everything is a part of the pro subscription already, including the Tattva material. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay, come on guys, figure this out. Some of you said D. B, Achut saying B. Okay, figure this out guys. Come on, come on, come on. Waiting for all your answers. Figure this out. So I hope you remember there is a formula for the wavelength emitted, and that formula is 1 by lambda is some constant, doesn't matter, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Now one thing I want you to understand. For K series, what happens is that if this is your energy diagram, n is 1, n is 2, n is 3, okay? So K alpha, okay, K alpha is the transition from here to here. This is K alpha. And K beta is the transition from here to here. So accordingly, you need to put the values of n1 and n2. I hope you can see that from this diagram. So lambda is inversely proportional to this. I hope you see that because 1 by lambda is constant into this. So lambda is inversely proportional. So lambda of K beta upon lambda of K alpha. So what are you going to do? For K beta, put the terms on the RHS below. Put it over here. Do not worry about the constant because the constant in the top and at the bottom will anyways get cancelled. But if you still want, don't worry, I'll put it out for you. Okay, 1 by. So for beta K beta line, what will be the numbers 1 and 3, right? So it will be 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 3 square. I hope you can see that from this diagram. Similarly, for K alpha, again you will put the constant. Remember, it is inversely related. 1 by lambda, the numbers on the RHS will come on the top. So 1 by, what are the numbers that you will put? 2 and 1, right? So 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. Okay, anyways, the constants will get cancelled. So lambda of K beta, lambda of K alpha is 0.32 angstrom is equal to, this is 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, okay. This is 1 minus 1 by 9, which is 8 by 9. So lambda of K beta will be 0.32. I've taken this guy on the other side. So 3 and 9 will multiply. So 3 and 9 will multiply, it will become 27. 8 and 4 will multiply and it will become 32. And what is this going to be? Yes, it's going to be 0.27 angstrom. Correcto. And that is option B. Option B. Understood, guys? Yo, Achut bro is correct. Rydberg's formula. Yes. Lohit, we don't need that constant. That's the whole point. See, don't worry. Actually, it's not just Rydberg's constant. There is also Z square over there. And in fact, it is Z minus S, which is the screening constant. My point is you don't need that constant. Don't waste your time in that constant. Yeah. Because that's what toppers will do. They will not worry about that constant because they know in their mind, oh, that is anyways going to get cancelled. So why bother about something which is going to get cancelled? I hope that makes sense. No, VIT EEE is simpler than mains. It's same level as mains. It's neither difficult nor much easy. It's almost same level. Okay, that's the answer. 0.27. Correct. Correct. Okay. Sir, is it okay if I take a drop? Avinash, I would advise not to take a drop right now because it's too early to make the decision. Exams have got postponed, boards have got postponed. There is a crash course available for you. Lot of students who are thinking of taking a drop, thinking that we cannot do it. Guys, taking a drop is really difficult. It's not an easy decision. So please do not think by extending 1 year you will crack it next time. It's very difficult. Understand that. Okay, so try to clear it off this year. Give it your last shot. Take my word, just listen to me what I'm saying. Just join the crash course. There are 90 sessions with mock tests and 11th and 12th standard syllabus. Complete it. Give your best shot. You do not know, you might get into at least some good college, and if you get it, I mean, why do you want to take a drop? It's not so easy, bacha. Plus, look at the times around us. I mean, sitting at home, taking a drop, it's going to be very stressful on you. Do not do that. Clear it off this year. I'm pretty sure the crash course will help you clear it. Yes. Okay, come on guys, figure this out. Two very large sheets of plastic. One is minus n naught, one is 3 n naught. So what do you think is the field in between them? Come on. ABCD saying D, Naman saying C. Come on guys, figure it out. Oh, Surya has just completed SRMJEE. Very good. And he says that it was easiest. Okay, come on. Okay, figure this out. What do you think is the answer? Lohit, I'm not going to answer all these questions now. We'll take it up offline later on. Okay, now focus on the session. Okay. Pradyumna Sriram says D. Okay. What's the formula? What's the formula for the field due to a sheet? When you have a sheet of some density, I don't know whether you remember it, there is a sheet of some density, okay, sigma, okay, then the field coming out of it, what's the formula? Is it sigma by epsilon naught or sigma by 2 epsilon naught? I think it is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. I have told you this many times because it goes two ways, so it gets divided, so half times sigma by epsilon naught. That's how you can remember that. Correcto. Now just use that, guys. See, because of this guy minus n naught, because of that negative charge, the field will be towards it. The field will be towards it. How much will be the value of the field because of the negatively charged plate? It will be, use this formula. Sigma is n naught. Don't put minus because already you have taken into account the direction. Because it is negative charge, I have already shown the field's direction. I am only interested in the magnitude of the field. It will be n naught by 2 epsilon naught. This is what the field will be. Now think, what will be the field due to the 3 n naught, which is a positive charge? So that will be outwards. It will come like this from it. It will go both the ways, outwards from the positive charge, and the value will be 3 n naught by 2 epsilon naught. Now do you see in this region, check this region out, check this region out. In this region, are the fields getting added or cancelled out? Are they subtracting or are they adding? Come on guys. Okay, come on, figure this out. What do you think, guys? Sashidhar, if you are new to this channel and you are in 11th standard, first of all, welcome. Please join the Nurture series. All my Nurture series are for the 11th standard students. So be there in the Nurture series. This week I am starting with vectors. I have already completed the chapters of units and dimensions. So watch the replay today, bacha, and come prepared for tomorrow's vectors class. Yes, so they will add up. Correct. You can see the arrow marks. Check this arrow mark. In this region, it's adding. So definitely the net field will be n naught by 2 epsilon naught plus 3 n naught by 2 epsilon naught, which is 4 n naught by 2 epsilon naught, and this is this one, 2 n naught by epsilon naught towards the left side. That's the answer. Beautiful, beautiful. Understood, guys? Samla, I'm very good. Thank you so much. Welcome aboard. Yes, option B is wrong. Whosoever said option B, that's wrong. Answer is C. Lot of you got it wrong before this. I can see all those people. Minus sign matters, Pavan. That minus sign matters. That's why. Look at the arrow mark. If this was not minus, then these green lines will be that way. They'll be outwards. So so that minus sign actually matters, then the answer will be different. Because if it is outwards, then they will cancel out in this region. So that minus sign has already been taken into account, so don't worry about it. Okay, great. So good guys, you are asking really good doubts and you are participating really well. Keep this spirit up, keep the Josh high, and if you are enjoying this session, go smash that like button, and if you are new to this channel, go hit that subscribe button in case you have forgotten to do any of these two tasks. Come on, do that. Next question is this one. There is a wire and it's a potentiometer wire. The resistance is R0. The total voltage across that wire is V, total voltage. Now you connect a resistor R whose resistance has to be measured, and it is connected. When that sliding point is exactly in the middle, the voltage across the R is V by 4. It's V by 4. What is the value of R by R0? Okay, come on guys. How left direction, Chandana? I just showed that. Saw those arrow marks? Left side. I had just shown the diagram. I hope you remember the diagram. Green arrow mark and the black arrow mark. Just replay back a little bit. You will see that it was given in that thing. Okay. Praveen, all my classes are at 7:30 in the evening on weekdays. So don't worry about it. You can fix it up. Unless and until there is a small change, I will post it up on the Telegram group. Okay. Now, first draw the diagram. Without drawing the diagram, you cannot proceed ahead. So what you should do, first draw the potentiometer wire. Okay. This is our potentiometer wire. This is 0. This is plus V. It's connected across V volts. That's what is given. The resistance is R0. Okay. That's what is given. Now what have you done? You have connected a resistor to measure its value, and the value of that resistance, okay, is R. That's given, and it's connected exactly at the midpoint. It's given. It's connected exactly at the middle. Now if it is connected exactly at the middle, this wire will get divided into two equal parts whose resistances are R0 by 2 and R0 by 2 each, because it is cutting it midway. R0 by 2, R0 by 2. So the equivalent circuit for this one will be as if you have a resistor here and another resistor over here, and this resistance R is in parallel with this one, and it will be like this. This will be R, okay, this will be R0 by 2, and this will be also R0 by 2, and this is V volts and this is 0 volts. I hope this is clear. Everybody clear till this point? If it is clear, give a thumbs up, say okay, say yo. If everything is clear, or say clearo. Yep. Achud, Bacha, please don't spam. And Vishnu, please don't spam out here. Nobody is going to listen to you. Okay. So, Atigopi, concentrate on the session. We'll discuss all this after the session. You can post up all your comments later on. Very good. Okay. Now, understand this step by step. Have patience. Listen to me carefully. This entire thing is one single resistor. This entire thing is one single resistor. How much is the resistance? We can figure that out. That's not a difficult part. Okay. And the remaining part is nothing but, you know, R0 by 2. Okay. So this is again plus V. This is 0. This is R0 by 2. And this entire thing is this resistance. Now read the question carefully, you will understand everything. The voltage across R is V by 4. The voltage across R is V by 4. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means that this voltage is V by 4, guys. This voltage is V by 4. So guys, what is the voltage across R0 by 2? Can you guys quickly tell me what is the voltage across R0 by 2? Quickly. If this voltage is V by 4, what is the remaining voltage? Figure this out. Trimbak, have patience. Don't expect all the questions to be direct. Just substitute formula and get out the answer. Then everybody can do that. Everybody will just mug up and get it. 3V by 4, beautiful. This will be 3V by 4, beautiful. So this is 3V by 4 and this is V by 4, beautiful. Now Are these two resistors in series? Are these two resistors in series? Yes. And what happens when resistors are in series? I have told you this again and again. For series combination, the voltage drop is directly proportional to the resistance. Is directly proportional to the resistance because V is IR, same current flows, I is same. So V is directly proportional to R. So guys, just use this fact. V by 4 divided by this resistance, which is, voltage drop across that divided by that voltage drop, which is 3V by 4. Okay, so this voltage drop upon that voltage drop will be equal to, think about it, it is directly proportional. So this 3V by 4 is proportional to R0 by 2. Is directly proportional to R0 by 2. And this V by 4 will be proportional to this resistance. How much is this resistance? Is the effective parallel resistance of these two. How much will it be? Think about it. R into R0 by 2 divided by R plus R0 by 2. Isn't that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Everybody understood? Beautiful. Yes, current is same. Very good. Very good. Yes, yes, Mahesh, I am. So V by 4 is directly proportional to this equivalent resistance, and 3V by 4, which is over here, is proportional to R0 by 2. Great. Now things will get very simple. I'll tell you how. V gone. 4 gone. R0 by 2 also gone. So see what has happened over here. This has just become 1/3 is equal to R divided by R plus R0 by 2. Take cross multiplication. So R plus R0 by 2 is equal to 3R. Take this R on the other side. So R0 by 2 is equal to 2R. So guys, what are you going to get finally? Take R below. Because the question, take R0 below. So you are going to get 1 by 4 is equal to R by R0. And that's 1/4, which is option A. I hope this is clear. Is that okay? Yep. This is how you are supposed to do it. Beautiful question. We can use V proportional to L proportional to R. Yes, Naman, you can do that. Anyways, you'll get the same thing. Okay, great. Hello, Yash. Welcome aboard. All the new people out here, please put up a hello, say hi, because so that all the others also know the only way you can make your presence felt in this channel is by greeting others, by saying hello, introducing yourselves, etc. And be a part of this family by hitting the subscribe button. This is a special JEE channel, and that too in English medium. Okay, so let's get going to the next one coming up on your screens. Okay, hello chemistry lover, hello Arki, hello Harsh. Very good. Oh my god, Shiva, all the best. Don't worry, we'll try to finish it as much as possible before 12:30. Let's see. Hi Mitali, thank you so much. Hi Sridhar, welcome aboard. Okay, so this is a question based on the formula. The question is, there is a lens, but this is not a convex lens as such. It's a convex or concave kind of a lens. You can see the surfaces marked. Now the radius of curvature of the convex surface, that is this surface, is given to be how much? 20 centimeters, and the radius of curvature of this surface is given to be 40 centimeters. Now the question is, find the focal length. Obviously we are going to use this formula, 1 by f, right? 1 by f, what is it? Come on guys, mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. That's the formula. So it's just a matter of substitution. So 1 by f is equal to mu, it's given 1.52 minus 1. Okay, r1 is the first surface radius of curvature, and that is on that side, so it's positive, minus r2 is also on that side, so it's positive. So 1 by 40. 1.52 minus 1 is 0.52. Okay, 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40 is 1 by 40 obviously. So F will be, do not forget to flip it. It's 40 divided by 0.52. Now 40 divided by 0.5 will be 80 because 0.5 is half. So 40 divided by 0.5 will be 80. So 40 divided by 0.52, making the denominator slightly bigger. The answer will be slightly less than 80. So I think it should be 76 centimeters. Yeah, makes sense, everyone? Hello, Sakshi. Thank you, Yash. Good morning, everyone. Hello, Ravi Teja. Welcome aboard. Yes, the exact answer comes out to be 76.92 centimeter. Yes, Sridhar. But you don't have to do that. In the examination, time is precious. So think like this logically. You can get the answer looking at the options. Okay, beautiful. Let's get going to the next question. But before that, remember all the pro subscription users, there is a very, very important announcement. The pro subscription prices are going to increase from tomorrow. So if you want your Tattva hard copy, Tattva is a book which Vedantu gives you. All the toppers also use it. In fact, if you have heard yesterday's session of Madhav Goel, he also said that he studied physics only from Tattva, okay, apart from Erodo. So guys, you're going to get the soft copy and the hard copy of the Tattva material, and it will be couriered to your address. Yes, all the subjects, all the chapters of 12th. So guys, do not forget to join the pro subscription, because this is the book which you need to clear. You don't need 100 books. You don't have to download 100 things. You don't have to look at different sources. And best part is, if you use your mobile phone's camera and scan the barcode on this, you can get the solutions, video lectures of that corresponding assignment or that topic. So that's how it is integrated very tightly with our software. Let's go to the next question. The half-life of radium is 1600 years. After how many years 25% of the radium block will be remaining? Come on guys, let's see. Arki, let's wait. Today there is going to be a discussion. Ramesh Pokhriyal sir is meeting with all the important personnel out there, and he's going to discuss and he's going to debate what should be the next course of action for the 12th standard. As soon as any news comes up, we will be there for all of you and we'll post it up over here. Don't worry. Sir, how much will this lecture be? I'm not sure what you mean by that, Ravi Teja. You mean the time or the cost or like what? Okay, 3,200. Okay, SRM's mock test was ridiculous, says Funny. Okay, thank you, Sridhar. 3,200. Yes, I take my classes from my home. This is the studio setup. Maybe you can see it someday. I can show it to you. Okay, so yeah, guys, I mean, like, come on. The initial material, let's say it was N. After one half-life, N by 2 will remain. After one more half-life, N by 4 will remain. What is N by 4? 25% is remaining. Can you see how many half-lives have occurred? This is the first half-life. This is the second half-life. So 2 half-lives is nothing but 3200 years. And that is option A, correct. Beautiful. Excellent. Let's get going to the next question. This was easy one. Most of you would have got it. Ravi Teja, just focus on the questions which you can do. Do not try and waste time which you are not able to do. Fatafat, do all the questions which are simple, which are doable, which you feel are familiar to you. Do not concentrate on the question which is ahead or before. Only focus on the question which is there in front of you. Don't have to double check, triple check all the answers. Just whenever you do it properly. Copy down everything and read the instructions carefully, read the question carefully, read the options carefully. Do not make silly mistakes. That's all. Hey sir, what's up? Says Saloni. Oh my god. Saloni, what should I say? I mean, like, my Sunday, yeah, I'm here with you guys and I'm up on a Sunday morning. So I am up, I would say. Yeah, correct, Naman. Beautiful. Ni into Ne is equal. Oh, I think you made a small mistake out there while writing, Naman. So there is a formula for this. Okay. Let's see. Okay. EM waves one shots has already been done some. You can check it out in the 0 to hero series. So there is a formula, and the formula is Ne into NH is equal to Ni whole square. This is a formula which is very important. Number of electron concentration, number of hole concentration, number of holes and electron concentration in intrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic means no doping. Now it's clearly mentioned that in intrinsic silicon, okay, the hole and the electron concentration is 1.5 into 10 to the power 6. So this Ni in intrinsic, I stands for intrinsic, 1.5 into 10 to the power 16, and this is whole square. Over here you need to figure out what is the value of Ne, but Nh is given to you. So Ne multiplied by Nh is 4.5 into 10 to the power 22. Yes, that's what is given. So Ne will be 1.5 square is 2.25 into 10 to the power 32 divided by, take this below, so it will become 4.5 into 10 to the power 22. Now 45 and 225, how will it go? 45 5s are 225, but it is 2.25. So this will be nothing but 0.5 into this will be 10 to the power 10. So this will be nothing but 5 into 10 to the power 9. I hope this is clear. Hello RC Premium. My God, don't spam. Okay. Okay. Yes. Glad to know that, Sakshi. Thank you so much. Sridhar, depends. Like, I will take as much as is required. For now, let's see how this goes, and maybe we'll take some more depending on when the next schedule is, when the next shift is, accordingly. Okay. So that's how it is. This is option A. That's correct. Beautiful. Let's go to the next question coming up on your screen. Okay, correct. Yes, can we friends, sir? Please, you are very great. Yes, you are like a friend, but we are not friends. We are a teacher student. But yeah, I'm going to be friendly to you. Yeah, that's how it is. And you can follow me on my Instagram handle if you want to know more about me. That's Shreyas_Vedantu. Yes, Mukund, that's a good decision. I mean, you should always have a backup. Oh, Devansh and others are saying the mock test was very hard. Okay, don't worry, Nemesis. They are just probably trying to scare you like, hey, you know what? Our tests are also hard. Just JEE can't be hard. Even we are going to be hard. Maybe that's the thing. Don't worry, guys. Okay, A, scared to the core, Shiva, don't worry. Things are going to be easy. Just follow our Zero to Hero series. Just join the crash course and attend lectures regularly. Practice from the assignments that Vedantu gives you. Practice the mock test. See what went wrong. Practice from the notes which you get. Practice from YouTube. That's enough, guys. I mean, you don't get scared. Please don't get scared. Okay, so this one, let's do this. This is a formula based question. So EMF across the inductor is L times del I by del T. Yeah, so EMF introduced is 40 volts. Inductance we need to figure out. Okay, we need to figure out what is the self inductance. Change in the current is 2. Time taken is 0.05. I mean, come on, guys. L is 40 multiplied by 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 2. How much is going to be? 40 divided by 2, 20. 25 is 100. 100 into 10 to the power minus 2 is 1. So answer is 1 Henry. Correcto. Yes, that's the correct answer. Beautiful. Looks like you guys remember ACs and inductances. Okay, let's see how many of you can do this question. Oh, definitely, Chaitanya. You should definitely see that. Current electricity, Bieber content. Today, I won't be conducting a lecture on current electricity. It will be conducted in the on the weekdays. My lecture timings are fixed, guys. It is 7:30. Unless and until it's some special lecture or maybe there is some time constraint, then I might change it to 7 or 8 or something else. But usual, my lecture timings are 7:30. The morning timings for Zero to Hero series or any other lectures are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesday and Thursday, morning 9 o'clock. That's my lecture timing. Okay. Karthik already gave up. How are you going to sit in the examination hall for 3 hours? Come on, let's see how to do this. Well. I don't know if you can solve this question very easily. What is the voltage across the LC combination? The voltage across each component is 50. VL, VR, VC. Remember the L, C and R? This is also 50. this is also 50, this is also 50. In fact, if these two are 50 and 50, won't they cancel each other out? The question is, what is the voltage across the LC combination? L and C vectors are equal and opposite. These vectors are equal and opposite. So what will happen? They will cancel each other out. And if they cancel each other out, what is the total voltage? It is 0 volts. A lot of you got it wrong. Some of you are saying A, which is 50 volts. Some of you would be thinking, sir, 50 plus 50 is 100. Haan, correct. What did I just tell you? Voltages, resistances, etc. in AC circuits do not add like scalars. They have to be treated like vector quantities in AC. Keep this in your head. Get this in your head. Yep. So the answer is 0 volts, guys. Be careful. Yep, the answer is 0. Let's see whether you can solve the next question coming up on your screen. Oh my god, most of the questions were out of the syllabus. So guys, that's the thing. If something is looking out of the syllabus, just leave it and go ahead. You don't have to break your head over it, because it will be difficult and it will be out of syllabus for most of them. Okay, I don't know why these people are doing like this. I mean, already the board syllabus has been reduced. So many topics are cut out. In fact, the mains examination has been made so easy, and I don't see a reason why VIT should make the paper tough. It doesn't make sense. I mean, they should probably rethink over this. Come on, and especially you cannot make a paper out of syllabus. You can make a paper tough, but never make a paper out of syllabus. That is bad. Sam Niran, if you share this video and if you get more views, then definitely I'll make one more video for VIT EEE. Okay, so do that. Share it with your friends. Come on, go hit the like button. If you show more love, more comments, more support, then I will do, or else I won't do. Okay, chalo. Sand drops vertically at the rate of this, and it is moving with this speed. The question is, what is the extra force required to keep that belt moving? So this question is based on this fact that if this is a belt, okay, this is that belt which is moving, okay, and there is some mass delta m which falls on it in delta t time. So mass is falling on it at a constant rate, because of which the momentum will change. The momentum will change. If the momentum changes, understand the rate of change of momentum gives you the force. So use this fact. So the force is nothing but change in the momentum divided by time, and that extra momentum which comes is because of that extra mass which gains that velocity of the belt, That's it. Now just think about it. This delta m by delta t is nothing but rate at which mass is put. So it is nothing but 2 kg per second, and this velocity is already given to be 0.2. So 0.2 into 2, how much is it going to be? 0.4 Newton. That's the answer. A lot of you got it. Beautiful. Excelente. Beautiful. 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 A for apple is correct. Yes, Shivani. Excelente. Let's get going to the next one coming up on your screen. In which of the following transitions in hydrogen atom will the wavelength be minimum? Will the wavelength be minimum? Come on. Come on, come on. Mati Reddy, focus right now. Don't worry. Other sessions are also going to come up very soon. Don't worry. Important chapters, Ravi Teja, almost all the chapters which are important for mains. Electromagnetism, mechanics, then modern physics, gravitation, thermodynamics. These are very important. Okay. D. Okay. I thought so. Most of you will make that mistake. Okay. Well, look at this diagram. Look at this diagram and then you will get it. See, this is the formula that you will use. Delta E, which is the energy of that, light, which will be light, or that photon which will be emitted. That is given by hc by lambda. So delta E is hc by lambda, and this delta E is also the energy difference between the shells. Between those different shells, what is the energy difference? Now the question is, for the wavelength to be minimum. Now if wavelength has to be minimum, matlab less, it has to be less. So delta E has to be more. So look at these numbers. Which numbers do you think give you the maximum energy, like 6 to 4. 6 to 4 is here. This is option 1. Okay. 4 to 2. 4 to 2 is over here. I hope you remember that these lines are not equally spaced. As you go up, their spacing reduces considerably. 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is here. This is option 3 or option C. And last option is 2 to 1. 2 to 1 is over here. This is option number 4. Guys, which has the biggest energy difference? Did you now get it? D is not right, Shivani. Option D is 2 to 1. Look at this. 2 to 1 is only this much. And look at 3 to 1. This has more energy. More energy, less wavelength. The question is which has the least wavelength out of these 4 options. Hence it is option C. Yes. Oh, good, Mitali. That's good. I mean, I think most of these people copy from each other. Yeah. Yeah. NEET, VITEEE SRMJEEE and all that. Yes, the answer is C. Okay. Oh. Correct. Let's get going to the next one. Let's see how many of you can do this. Standard question, very important. Still people make mistakes. What is the Cp by Cv of this mixture? 1 mole of oxygen and 2 moles of helium. What is the value of Cp by Cv of the mixture? Oh my God, Sakshi, I should get the best teacher award. Well, I don't know I'm the best teacher or not, but I'm good to be here and just getting all your love and support. I mean, that's enough for me. I don't want any awards. It's okay. But glad you think that way. Okay, when energy difference is maximum, then lambda is minimum. So 1 to 3. Yes, so 1 to 3. Yes, correct, Naman. Come on, figure this out. Sam, who said gravitation is not in the syllabus? It is there, bacha. So many questions came in JEE mains. C means capacitance. No, C means specific heat capacity. Oh, come on. What happened to you, Archie? Thermodynamics question. Specific heat capacity of gases. Correcto, Naga. Mahita Reddy says A. Pawan says A. Shivani says C. Come on, figure this out. Let's see. I don't know. So my first 2 chapters are remaining. So should I complete it first or should I continue with the live session? Because first continue backward because the session will go on for more 10-15 minutes. That's it. Yeah. Okay. For chemistry, NCERT is enough. Yes. Okay. Looks like many of you guys are confused. Let me tell you the formula for Cp by Cv, okay, which is the gamma of the mixture, is not, it is not N1 gamma 1 plus N2 gamma 2 divided by N1 plus N2. No, it is not. In fact, the correct answer is Cp of the mixture upon Cv of the mixture, and this Cp of the mixture is N1 Cp1 plus N2 Cp2 divided by N1 plus N2, that's the numerator, divided by Cv of the mixture N1 Cv1 plus N2 Cv2 divided by N1 plus N2. This is the correct formula. Now you know N1 plus N2 will get cancelled out. This N1 plus N2, this N1 plus N2 will get cancelled out. Now you substitute. N1 is 1 mole. Oxygen is diatomic. Cp for that is 7R by 2. Okay, plus N2 is 2 moles of which gas? Helium. Helium is monoatomic. Cp for that will be 5R by 2. Okay, divided by N1 is 1 mole. Cv for oxygen, it's diatomic, so it is 5R by 2, okay, plus 2 moles, okay, of helium. Monoatomic Cv will be 3R by 2. Now you can again see this, so many terms will get cancelled out, like this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2 will get cancelled. R and R will also get cancelled, and you will be left with 7 plus 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay, so this will be 7 plus 10 divided by 5 plus 2 3s are 6. So 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11 and 7 plus 10 is 17. So option A is correct. Got it? Yep, option A. Very good. Beautiful, beautiful. This is how you are supposed to do it. Excellent. Let's get going to the next one. Everybody loving this session? Yeah, we did a similar question, Pawan, on the JEE channel. I know that. Acha, for VIT EEE. Okay. Maybe. Yes, Sam. You can just check it out. I don't know. These exams keep having different rules every year. So you can check it out. If it is not there, then don't do. Okay. Now, what about the work done by the force when you shift the x coordinate from 2 to 4 meters? Let's see how many of you remember the correct formula. 11th standard syllabus. CO2 is a triatomic, Anish, and it is linear geometry. Yes, Anish, it is a linear geometry. Yep, CO2. Okay, let's see how many of you can do this. Yep, integrate. Okay, come on, do that. Very good, Karthik. Yes, integrate. Come on, let's see how many of you can actually perform that integration. Work is integral f dx. Use this and you will get that. So basically you have 2x plus 3x square dx. Using the rules of integration, you can separate out those terms, and the constants like 2 and 3 you can shift it outside the integration symbol. So 2 into x into dx plus 3 is outside the integral, it's a constant, and x square I will get over here, and dx, the limits will be 2 to 4, and here also 2 to 4. Now when you do the integration, what are you going to get? Well, 2 into x's integration is x square by 2, so it will be 4 square by 2 minus 2 square by 2. Okay, upper limit, lower limit. First put 4, then put 2. Okay, plus 3 into, look at that, x square's integral is x cube by 3, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, right? So it is x cube by 3. So first put 4, so 4 cube by 3 minus 2 cube by 3. All right, so you can see 2 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. So from here, 4 square 16, 2 square 4, 16 minus 4 is nothing but 12, plus 4 cube 64, 2 cube 8, 64 minus 8 56. So this is 56. So 12 plus 56, that's going to be 68 joules. Beautiful, that's the answer. Check it out. Yep, 68 joules. Naman, the screen is blur. I'm not sure. It should not be blur. Most likely you are watching it in lower resolution. Just change your resolution. At least keep it 480p. Okay, 720p is ideal, and if you can make it bigger, then that's even better. Yeah, the screen is not blur. Okay, yeah. That's the answer, guys. 68 joules. Okay, beautiful. Some of you forgot the 11th standard formulas, looks like, and probably even integration. I hope now you have done a quick recap of that. Now this is a brilliant question. Let's see how many of you can do this. If the radius of a drop, liquid drop, okay, having some surface tension increases from r to delta r. Delta r is a small change in the radius. Then what is the increase in the surface energy? Question based on surface tension. If you remember the formulas and you do a little bit of maths, you will get the answer. Okay, it's clear, says Avinash. 12th exam cancelled, is it? I don't know. No. I don't know that. Maybe, may not be. Yep. Don't worry. Even I am following Ramesh Pokhriya, and if anything happens like that, I will definitely let you know. Come on, guys. Meanwhile, figure this out. So guys, please don't spread rumors. I don't see any things like it's being cancelled. Yep, I'm just checking it. Nope, it's not. Don't spread rumors, guys. Yeah, it's not. It's not. Yep. Yeah. So please don't spread rumors. Don't spread rumors, Arpit and others. So there is a meeting going on right now to discuss on what is going to happen. Yeah, it's not yet cancelled. So don't spread rumors, and we are also not saying that unnecessarily random channels are making videos saying the exam might get cancelled, it will get cancelled, as if they have very good contacts in the ministry. Unnecessary, guys, rumor mongering. This is not done. I mean, we should be responsible as teachers for, all these things. Please do not spread rumors. It's my humble request to all the people on YouTube. Yes, if you know some information, for sure, only then talk about it. If you do not know, then there is no point. The only thing I said in the morning clearly that there is a meeting going on right now to figure out what has to be done next. So there is consultation going on. They will decide on it and they'll come up with a solution. Okay, so please do not spread rumors. Okay, let's see how to solve this question. Not getting it? Okay. Now I have given you this formula USA. U is equal to SA. And I told you U is surface energy, S is surface tension, A is area. Hence, change in U will be S into delta A. This is the formula which we are going to use. This is the change in the surface energy. The corresponding increase in the surface potential energy is delta U. S is S. Area, the surface area of the sphere will change. Okay. So, final area minus initial area. Let's do that. Final area will be 4 pi r plus delta r, because the new radius will be r plus delta r, correct? So earlier the radius was r, now it has increased by delta r whole square minus 4 pi r square. This was the initial area, this was final, okay, and this was initial area. Now just do the math. 4 pi comes out, so s multiplied by 4 pi is outside. R plus delta r, a plus b whole square, use that expansion, so it will be r square plus 2r delta r plus delta r whole square minus r square. Can you see clearly what is happening out here? This r square and this r square will cancel out, and therefore I will get 4 pi s, and over here I will get 2r delta r plus delta r whole square. Now remember, this quantity over here, this is small. When you square it, it becomes even smaller. So this is negligible. Neglect it. Because delta r square, small number, 0.01 square, 0.0001. So gone. So it's not to be counted, and therefore only this term will be there. So it will become 2 4s are 8 into pi into s into r into delta r. That term is not there, which is option A. Understood? Oh my god, Trimbak. Yeah, it's what a joke. I mean, like, you're finding JEE easier than VIT EEE. Don't get scared, bacha. The mock tests are usually like that. Every institute will try to scare students off so that they prepare well, but don't worry, chill. Nishant, there are a lot of micro courses of mine in the 11th standard, so you can definitely, yes, you can find those in the 11th standard. Yes, that's the answer. Now, very, very important, guys. So those of you who are in 11th and those of you who are in 12th and those of you who have not yet joined coaching institutes, or you're not at all happy with the coaching institute, don't get tensed. We are there for you. And I know a lot of coaching institutes are charging you the money of an offline coaching, and they say in the advertisements in the newspaper that yes, as soon as the coaching industry will open, then we will start our classes in the offline mode. But they're charging you money for the offline classes, and they are giving you only online work, and they are conducting the classes on Google Meet. Our classes are not on Google Meet or Zoom. We have a dedicated platform called as the Wave, where there is a master teacher like me and a class teacher who is solving all the doubts. So the job of the class teacher out here is basically to solve all the doubts of the students is there in the class. Now these tests happen very frequently. You get discussions and you get reports, and you can work on that. You can get your ranks, prediction, how much will you get in JEE and all that. And in this post-class content, you get the PDF, you get the notes, and you also get assignments, and you also get mock tests after every class. And these classes are also going to be recorded, and it will be available to you till the end, till next year. You don't have to worry about it. And there is also a doubt in-app facility where you can ask doubts from morning till night. Yes, from morning till night. And you can also avail a personal mentor. You can avail a personal mentor if you want, who is a specially trained person who will guide you how to start studying, how to make your timetable, how to not be distracted. He or she will be your personal guide throughout your journey. So now this pro subscription, understand these are the prices which are there for all the 12th standard students, similarly for 11th standard students as well. This is the light version where you get everything except for the doubt solving after the class. In the classic version, you get the doubt solving extra, and in the plus version, you get the personal mentor. Now, if you look at the prices, these are very nominal. I mean, if you work it out, divided by 12, it's hardly few thousands per month, and you can pay that much per month. You don't take 1 month, you take 12 months, but you pay in installments. That option is also there inside the our link. You just click the link, you will see that per month also you can play installment options. And these prices are 1/5 to 1/6 the times you spend on your offline coaching institute. So you can see the difference. That's why I tell you, please join these subscriptions so that you can get the most of it. And the same things are also there in the crash course. Okay, and the crash course price is 6,000 rupees when you use the discount coupon SHCC. So go ahead, check it out, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in over here. Thank you very much. How was it today? Did you guys enjoy the session? Oh, VSAT, I'm not sure, Samuel. You need to check out whether Sam, or don't worry, just wait for it. It will come out. Okay. Is VIT EEE better than IIT? Obviously not, Siva. IITs are IITs. You cannot compare VIT and IIT. That's not a fair comparison. Yes, Pawan, over. The questions are over. Thank you, Kamala Sagan. And guys, if you have enjoyed the session, please go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button out there. Yeah, do that. That will mean a lot. Glad, Fatim. So guys, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a 11th standard session for vectors. Day after tomorrow, for 12th standard students, we are continuing current electricity. In case you have missed any of our classes, watch the replays. It's there in the playlist on this channel. Just go ahead, click on that channel link. You can see all the past videos. Playlists are made chapter wise: Pathfinder, Nurture, Bridge, Zero to Hero, mock test. Everything has been beautifully arranged. Check it out. Okay, see you guys. This was Shreyas here, your master teacher for physics at Vedantu. Hasta la vista. Take care. All the best, and stay safe and stay at home.